awesome journey, you know, from the first taste of these new chocolates.
Very strong in their flavor, natural and pure at the same time.
我冇諗到食咗呢個朱古力會俾我一種好強嘅感覺。
It's natural, it's pure, it's beautiful, it's poetic.
The specialty of these new chocolates is based on the new technique of fermentation. And you know, when I heard about it, I got really excited. I've never worked with kombucha and chocolate before, so this is really something new. It lingers, I would say, is very exciting in your palate, you know. And I think what Cacao Barry has done is really, you know, taking it a step further. I want to really focus on the synergy of this whole fermentation process from bean to bar.
So it's
Yeah,
very
it's
good.
really
I like
nice.
that acidity, which is perfect for the summer also.
The chocolates we're using today, they're telling you a story of where they came from. We took a very traditional cake au chocolat, and then we've been building upon it. Pure textures of the anaya, the aqua, but all the way through, sticking true to what the chocolate should be. There's a story behind the chocolate. It starts with the farmer, the way it gets fermented. It gets brought to us. You're giving me something, and I'm going to take that, I'm going to respect it, and do something beautiful with it. That translates over to what I put on a plate. When you see it, instantly it has to connect. I know where this comes from. I know this comes from the ground. This comes from somebody's hand.
During my childhood on the island of Guadeloupe, I used to make like chocolate with my grandmother. So for me, it's like flashback. Basically, I'm making a Inaya chocolate ganache. Inaya, which is a 65% dark chocolate. It has like a very good balance of bitterness, acidity, and fruity. Right there, this is what I'm looking for. So here you can see like the ganache and the sponge, the Anaya mousse, and the ginger creme brulee.
And the ginger doesn't overpower it, it works with it. Well, an elegant chocolate deserves an elegant masterpiece.
Thank you.
Purity from nature， 我覺得呢三個 chocolate 都有佢唔同嘅獨特個風味。好似講佢個 chocolate 好直接同你講嘅，呢個係苦嘅，呢個係甜中帶苦嘅，所以好容易俾我可以攞其他材料嚟配合，跟住好容易去發揮我哋個所長。This is a raspberry 荔枝 lollipop.
Okay.
I'm going to place in the hazelnut glaze.
It's pure and natural.
You get it, it's not too subtle. It cleans your palate, the lychee. 好，好吃。
好吃。
对。
Thank you.
Pure, intense, and natural.
These chocolates, I don't really have to do much with it. It's great on its own.
It's just a chocolate meant for a chef.